Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Caffeine BS for July 6th, 2019. Oh, I guess I'll take the POV cam off. Over here, you can't see because it's off camera, is my mill and my 12-inch eye gauging DRO. I've been sitting it in place, shuffling parts of the kit around, Well, I don't want this bracket here, I want that bracket here, and blah, 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 blah. And I have figured out how I'm going to mount that eye gauging 12-inch DRO on the longitudinal axes of my milling machine. That's right. And I only have to make two parts. A little plate for one end of the table, holes for bolting, and a spacer. Most likely I'll use a piece of angle and make the spacer and the bracket in one piece. And I think I've found the best way. Some of you are going to say, why didn't you put the wire going backwards? Because it would have been always in the way of the table. It would have been having to dive down and then come under the table and be getting that groove cut through the insulation and eventually through a wire. Yeah, no good. And so it's coming out front, then a little loop that up to the readout. Yeah.